Hey guys, I am Ryan Becker with the Jason Whittle All-Pro Team, RE/MAX Lake of the Ozarks. I'm here at my newest listing at 325 Myers Road in Linn Creek, Missouri. This home sits in Kahala Estates, which is a nice, well-established neighborhood here in Linn Creek. It's one of the most well-constructed homes you can find on the market today. It's got just over 4,100 square feet of living space, 5 beds, 3.5 baths. Come on in, let's check it out. I think you guys will love it.
Every time that you are closing your eyes, I will be beside you, and my heart will glide across the miles to fly right to you. 'Cause when I dive into the traffic,
you will absolutely love the open concept that this home offers. It's got 3/4-inch pine wood flooring, it's got custom kitchen cabinets, stainless steel appliances. It's got an upper level deck that's all screened in with composite decking, as well as a lower level stained concrete patio.
a brand new day around the moon is shining. I long to be with you and all the places you have been. So today I'm time traveling. So today I am time traveling. So I lay my head to rest when the sun is rising. I'll start a brand new day when the moon is shining.
It includes a 12 by 32 foot boat slip and a community dock. So one of the best things about this house is it's all main level living and handicap accessible. So if you'd like to schedule a showing or for more information, you can visit our website at jasonwhittle.com or call our office at 1-800-836-2005. Thank you.